Hello students, next topic is inflorescence. Okay, what is inflorescence? Inflorescence is arrangement of flower on the axis. What is inflorescence? Arrangement of flower on the axis. Okay, and here axis is peduncle. Peduncle. What is peduncle? We'll discuss later. Arrangement of flower on the axis, and axis is here peduncle, not pedicel. Pedicel is what? The stalk of flower is known as pedicel. Okay, but here we are talking about peduncle. And inflorescence, it is of three types. Racemose, cymose, and special type. Okay, now we'll discuss what is racemose. In racemose, main axis never terminates into flower. I will show you a diagram. Main axis never terminates into flower, or you can say main axis never terminates into मतलब एक्सिस पे फ्लावर्स नहीं रहते हैं. द मेन एक्सिस जो रहती है ग्रो, और मेन axis grow continuously. Okay, and what is cymose? Here main axis में क्या रहता है? Flowers. Main axis always terminates into flower, or you can say, or main axis has, यहाँ पे लिखा मेन एक्सिस टर्मिनेट्स इनटू फ्लावर, मतलब जो मेन एक्सिस में है, जो एक्सिस का जो एंड पॉइंट है वहाँ पे फ्लावर है, तो इट मीन्स व्हाट विल हैपन? लिमिटेड ग्रोथ विल बी देयर. Opposite, main axis grow continuous, or main axis has limited growth. Now I will show you with the help of diagram. So here it will be a flower, and here it is main axis never terminates into flower, and it will grow continuously. ये जो main axis है, it will grow continuously. Now यहाँ पे flower है. ओके, flower बना दो. Second point, flowers are arranged in acropetal manner. Flowers are arranged in acropetal manner. What do you mean by the term acropetal manner? Acropetal manner means लोअर फ्लावर मतलब इन लोअर पोर्शन लोअर में ओल्डर फ्लावर रहेंगे और अपर में यंगर फ्लावर। इन लोअर हेयर यहाँ पे नीचे जो रहेंगे ओल्डर फ्लावर एंड इन अपर रीजन दे विल बी अ यंगर फ्लावर। दिस ओल्ड फ्लावर, यहाँ पे क्या होंगे बिग, सो इट इज एक्रोपिटल। एट द लोअर रीजन फ्लावर क्या होंगे ओल्डर होंगे और अपर में यंगर। In this case, flowers are arranged in basipetal manner. E or I, just check it. Basipetal manner. Just underline it, is very important. These differences are important. Now in basipetal what happened? Younger flower will be at lower. Okay, younger flower will be at lower. यहाँ पे younger flower बना दें। Acropetal, basipetal. Okay. Now third difference is what? Floral axis is monopodial. Axis, or you can say peduncle, is monopodial, and in this case flower axis is sympodial. These three is main difference यही है। Basipetal, sympodial, sir, how you will learn student? Cymos, sir word, sympodial, sir word, okay? Cymos और C से पहले क्या आता है B, basipetal, sympodial, cymos, okay? So what do you mean by the term monopodial? Suppose this is axis. Okay, now what happened? Flowers arise laterally. इसमें flowers जो है laterally arise होते हैं and there is only one axis. Okay, what happened? Only one axis. There is only one axis. But in case of sympodial, what happened? Let's draw इधर और भी प्लांट बना सकते हैं हम लोग। Flowers arise laterally and there is only one axis. ठीक है, एक ही axis है। And in sympodial, sim means fuse. Sim means fuse. Okay, so in this case what happened? main axis is made up of many branches. Listen carefully. Sympodium means fuse. तो मेन एक्सिस जो रहते बहुत ब्रांचेस के बने रहते हैं. नाउ हैव अ लुक. सपोज दिस इज फ्लावर. Again it will arise from, again it will arise from, again it will arise from, again. So many branches are making only one branch. Okay. Main axis is made up of many branches. ओके. इसके सबके ब्रांचेस हम लोग को वर्टिकली देखना है. ठीक है. तो वर्टिकली इफ यू विल सी इट इज मेड अप ऑफ मैनी branches. Okay, so these are main difference between racemose and cymose. Okay, and next we'll discuss the types.